it. You look like a bad boy, and I ain't tryna act coy. Gotta say I really, really like it. You look like a bad boy, and I ain't tryna act coy. Gotta say I really, really like it.
Okay, so we are at Caesar's Palace, and we got an Octavius Premium King Room. So I'm just gonna show a little tour. This is the entryway right here. We've got a double lighted entry. Those light switches are right next to the door. This is something that's really cool. Instead of having a do not disturb sign, they have a privacy and a makeup room button. Also, when you check in, they ask you if you want housekeeping or if you don't want housekeeping. Obviously, because it's COVID still, we requested no housekeeping for our stay. And then they'll just bring you whatever you need. Going into the bathroom. Turn all the lights on. So here we go. So we've got the double sinks, the beautiful standing shower. I actually just moved this towel up there because I sanitized that handle, so it looks prettier normally. The beautiful shower head. Then we have the toilet room. Cute little piece of art. We've got that little magnifying mirror for close-ups. We've got beautiful lighting for doing makeup and all that stuff. Okay, we have this gorgeous jacuzzi jetted tub here with a full-size mirror, so that is awesome. This is honestly why I upgraded to this room, because of that jacuzzi tub, because the other rooms, the lower tier rooms do not have the jacuzzi tub, so I wanted that. Full-size mirror right here. In here we've got your closet. You've got your hangers, your safe, ironing board, iron, your luggage rack, some shelving up there. Okay. And then we go into here, so this is the main room. Beautiful king size bed. It's actually a lot taller than it seems on camera. It's really high off the ground, looks super duper comfortable. Really cute little artwork. Got lamps, and you also have those privacy and makeup room lights right next to your bed. Actually, it's just on that side, but that's really cool. Nice size couch. Again, a lot bigger in person than it looks in here. Little chair, your ice bucket over there. There's a lot of floor space. It just feels really nice and open. So I really like that. You have an HDMI setup here, which is awesome, and some outlets. Got your beautiful TV that's nice and framed. You got your little goodies. So let me show you this right here. You've got 3 drawers. That's awesome for storage space. And then over here, like I said, you have your mini bar. There you go. And then we actually have a view of the pools, which is really beautiful. Because those pools, I mean, come on. Incredibly gorgeous. Like, where are we? So yeah, it's beautiful. It's actually a really nice view. Okay, and then here's the view from this side. All right, and that's it. Just wanted to give you a 2021 tour of the Octavius Premium King Room in Caesar's Palace, Las Vegas, Nevada.
You look like a bad boy, and I ain't tryna act coy. Gotta say I really, really like it. You look like a bad boy, and I ain't tryna act coy. Gotta say I